In 1965, a convicted murderer pulled off the most ridiculous prison escape in history. Ronald McIntosh had his girlfriend ship him out of prison in a wooden crate marked electronics equipment. The plan was flawless. She mailed the box to a friend's address. McIntosh squeezed inside and waited. Everything went perfectly until the postal worker heard something strange during delivery. Snoring, coming from inside the box. The worker called police immediately. When they opened the crate, they found McIntosh fast asleep, completely unaware his freedom had just been ruined by a nap.